This Google Sheet is a template for schools to use if they decide to facilitate family travel sharing in their community as a result of fuel shortages. So this Google Sheet is intended for larger schools to be used with larger schools, and it's got a guidelines tab, a travel sharing tab, and a list tab. So there are three parts to it. Now, the first tab is the guidelines that will be the first thing that families would see when they open the document up. So make sure you put your school name in there, remove the Learning Architects logo, and it's really important that you consider the instructions that would suit your community context. Okay, so it's quite important that you cover off that the school is not organising travel for families, but it is just creating a document so that they can self-organise, and that if they put their name to this document, they are agreeing to sharing their information on the internet within your school community. Okay, so you'll need to make sure that you and your board are comfortable with those instructions. Once you've got that sorted, the next thing to do is to go into the list tab and swap out. I've put in the suburbs for Christchurch. Now, I've put in a prompt for ChatGPT or Gemini for how to get a list of suburbs or areas around your school and prepare them for this spreadsheet. So do that and then paste them over the top of these Christchurch ones if you are elsewhere. And what will happen is that those suburbs will automatically pre-populate into the travel sharing tab. Okay, so if I imagine I'm a parent and I'm prepared to share travel with other families in my local area so that they can get to school, let's imagine I'm in St Albans. So I choose St Albans and I choose my travel method. So I'm going to offer carpooling. I put my name in and then my address. Now, I suggest just street address is enough, and my mobile number, and then any comments. So in this case, I might say I can take 5 children. Okay. Now, parents need to know that if they put their name and details in the sheet, other people may contact them. Okay, so that is why you need to consider the privacy implications of this. Now, the last thing to do once you have set it up with the correct suburbs and you've got your guidelines clear is to share it on the internet. And the way to do that is to click on Share, go to General Access Settings and change it from restricted to anyone with the link, and make it so that anyone with the link can edit. Once that is done, click Copy the link, and I would suggest sharing that link out via your school messaging system rather than putting it live on your website so that the link stays private within your families and community members. That's it.